Yesterday I showed you how to make the display of your line weights thinner, but then a question came up is will that cause the plot to change? Well, actually, no. MicroStation doesn't use it uses the line weights to plot the line thickness, but the line thickness, how it plots, is actually controlled in the print driver. So if I bring up the print driver and look at the settings in there, so if I edit the print driver configuration, then I can come over here and look at the weight maps. So how they're printed is based off of the AEC standard line weights. So at least when you're using the AEC PLT or PDF PLT CFG. So weight 0 is plotted at 0.18 millimeters, 1 is 0.25, 2 is 0.35, 3 is zero point 0.5. Now the problem here is that 4 isn't defined in the AEC CAD standard, so it's how it plots. So the best thing to use there is somewhere halfway between 5 and or 3 and 5, which is zero point 0.5 and zero point 0.7. So the halfway is zero point 0.6. Then you look at the next line weight, it goes to 0.83 because that is a line weight that AutoCAD has. So to keep AutoCAD and MicroStation consistent, you'll set line weight 6 to be 0.83. 7 is 1 millimeter by definition. 8 and 9 are 1.2, and that's because AutoCAD doesn't have anything else between 1 and 1.4. Then 10 is 1.4. Actually, that should, yeah, that's 1.4, that's right. And then AutoCAD doesn't have anything in between 1.4 and 2, so they're all set to 1.58. And then 15 is 2 according to the CAD standard. And then everything bigger than 15 is 2.11 because that's the thickest line weight that AutoCAD can handle. So basically, if you're using the AEC standard PLT CFG, your line weights should come out according to the way the standard says they should. Alright, there are some other things that can control that, like they can also be controlled inside of a design script, and if we look at that in here, there's a setting in the design script, but this really should be removed because uh, I've been noticing with the latest versions of MicroStation, parametric cells don't play nice with the line weights being set inside of the design script. It's best to leave those inside in the that or those settings inside of the plot driver. All right, I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye.